In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. It's a simple process that should take you no more than 5 minutes to complete. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. This is where all of Google's cloud services, including Gmail, are managed, especially for business or educational use. This step is crucial as it ensures you're in the right place to make changes to your organization's settings. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is the account you use to manage Google Workspace, so make sure it's the one with administrator privileges. Picking the right account will save you from running into permission issues later on. Once you've selected your account, it's time to enter your password. Security is key for Google, so make sure your password is strong and secure. If you have two-factor authentication enabled as recommended, be ready to complete this step as well. After entering your password, click on Next to proceed. This will verify your credentials and grant you access to the admin console, which is your command center for managing Google Workspace services. Look for the square dot icon located at the top right of your screen and click on it. This icon represents the Google Apps launcher and gives you access to all of the Google services linked to your account, including the admin console. Now it's time to head over to the admin console. You'll find the link either by using the Google Apps launcher or by typing the URL directly into your browser. The admin console is where you can manage all aspects of Google Workspace, including user accounts, apps, and much more. Once in the admin console, click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the Google Workspace applications available to your organization, including Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. Next, click on Google Workspace. This is where all the core Google Workspace services are managed. You're just a few steps away from activating Gmail for your organization now. In the Google Workspace services, find and click on Gmail. This is specific to the Gmail service settings within Google Workspace, where you'll decide how Gmail operates for your users. Now look for the service status section. This might seem like a technical term, but it simply refers to whether a service is on or off for your organization. In this case, you'll decide if Gmail is actively available to your users. You're almost there. To activate Gmail for your organization, simply turn it on. This action enables Gmail for all users within your Google Workspace account, granting them access to this powerful email service. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all your changes are applied. It's like saying, yes, I confirm this is exactly what I want to happen. Without clicking Save, your changes will not be implemented, and Gmail will remain inactive for your organization. And that's it. You've successfully activated Gmail for your Google Workspace account. This process, while simple, is crucial in ensuring your team has access to one of the most powerful communication tools available today. Remember, management of Google Workspace services like Gmail gives you control over how your organization communicates and collaborates. Always make sure to review your settings and adjust them as your organization's needs evolve. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Setting up Gmail in Google Workspace is just the beginning of leveraging the full potential of Google's cloud services. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing and optimizing your Google Workspace environment.